why is it that our teams, our students, working 2 kilometers deep underneath the Canadian Shield, why is that of interest to space agencies around the world? The Canadian Shield are the oldest rocks on Earth, 3 to 4 billion years in age. All of Mars is like that. Mars is also in some ways our evil twin. So if life ever arose on Mars, the only place it could be surviving is likely to be buried in the subsurface. The work that we're doing to understand how long water can be preserved in the subsurface, what kinds of microbes live in that water, and what the signs or evidence are for that microbial activity, kilometers deep on the Canadian Shield, is directly relevant to posing the same questions on Mars. The critical component that water brings to, for instance, say, microbial life deep in the earth is that it provides them with the nutrients that they need to survive. But in addition, they also need that chemical exchange going on between the water and the rock that they use to fuel their metabolism. This is one of the reasons why we say water is life. A lot of people have asked us the question about why it is billion-year-old water is so exciting. Waters that were millions of years old had been discovered. To find water that was 1 billion years old really broke the understanding that prevailed at the time about the age of the water cycle. The beauty of earth sciences is it allows you to take chemistry, physics, biology, and apply all of those in a system-based approach that address questions that are fundamental to human beings. The nature of the planet, the purposes of our climate, how to protect the planet, and how to sustain life. The wonderful thing about people who do this kind of work is that they are really driven to go above and beyond because of their excitement about the questions that science poses, and also the aid that the answer to those questions can provide for humanity and for the planet.